You can see your living area is designed very nicely. The inbuilt light kitchen is like really close to your dining area. This is already much more spacious compared to your other two rooms. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I'm Ikhlas and today we will be doing the sample flat of Naila by Team for Life Spaces, which is located at Miapur, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project, and as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. So your marketing office is right here at the clubhouse, and this is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now, unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. So the first one is the project overview, and as you can see, it is constructed on 6.02 acres of land parcel, featuring 3 towers with 3 basement plus ground and 35 floors, having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Now let's have a look at the amenities part. You see, this project comes with modern luxurious amenities, which includes a grand clubhouse that is 45,000 square feet. There's going to be gymnasium, fitness center, indoor and outdoor sports courts and a lot more. Coming to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Miapur, Hyderabad. So that side of the road is your entire connectivity, which connects you to your financial district and your other areas. Now, your connectivity part, the Miapur metro station is only 4 minutes away from here. High-tech city 18 minutes away and your financial district just 20 minutes away. Now we will be doing the sample flat tour for Naila for 3 BHK, and the configuration for that is 1,200 square feet. Now, entering the house, so this is going to be your first main door. You have your proper key lock system over here. Now, as we enter inside, this is going to be your living area. If you can see, your living area is designed very nicely. The inbuilt lighting system and the walls that have been done in the house are very unique. You have your fan system and your AC system already attached. Also the tiling, and you have your marble walls done perfectly inside your entire house. Now when we come to this side of the corner, you have again a very nice space made over here. So if you want, you can turn that into your puja corner, or you can design it however you like. Then on this side of the corner, you have your other living space, which if you want, you can turn into your dining area, which will be perfect because this is really close to your balcony. If you notice here also, you have space for attaching your fan and your AC as well, and you have your light inbuilt system designed here also. On this side of the corner, again, you have a lot of space given. So if you want, you can turn this into your bookshelf, or you can add your kitchen accessories and design this unique space as per your choice. Now, coming to our balcony part. So this is going to be the balcony. If you notice from here, you can see the entire society in your balcony, and it's perfectly designed. You have your wooden touches also given to the balcony. You also have your safety window system attached with your string for your kids. So it's just the perfect balcony. Now, if you notice, this side is going to be your kitchen. So your kitchen is like really close to your dining area, which is a perfect place again because you can turn this into your open kitchen system, give that modern luxury. If you notice, the tilings that have been done in the kitchen are very unique and give this luxurious modern like feeling. And you have your perfect window system on both corners of the kitchen, which is good enough for your ventilation. You can have your exhaust then on this side. You can also have your inbuilt lighting systems attached under your storage units, and the height ceiling also in the kitchen is perfect. You have a lot of electric switches on each corner, so you can add your electric appliances, your fridge, your oven, whatever you choose to. And it comes with a utility balcony. So this is your utility balcony. You can see here as well, you have proper view of your entire society. And now the kitchen flooring also, the tiling has been done perfectly, and you have your drainage system, you have your tap water system on both corners. Here also you have your electric and your light switches given, so you can add your washing machine and do your laundry system here. Entering into our first bedroom. So This is going to be your first bedroom. If you notice, it is done very beautifully. You have a cozy, small like area space. You have your electric switches. Here as well, you have your fan switches and your AC switches done. And the best part is that here also you have two window systems. So which is one on this side, you have direct view to the other side of your society. And then that small window, which again gives you direct view to your other side of the society. Here as well, you still have a lot of space left in the room. So you can design it however you like. And then this is going to be the attached washroom, which is really spacious. So you can divide the washroom by adding another glassware near your shower. You have your exhaust fan, the tiling, and the flooring that has been done in the washroom also is very luxurious like. Coming to our second bedroom, you have an open wash basin space over here. If you want, you can do that, or you can turn this space area into by adding a long huge mirror for your dressing, or the guest also can use it. So this is going to be your second bedroom. This is a little more spacious than your first one. Here also you have your large window system on this corner. Your bedding can come on this side. You have enough space for your wardrobe, and even after your door you still have a lot of space left. So you can also add a small drawer there or a table and chair and choose to design it however you like. This room also again comes with an attached washroom where you again have your exhaust fan, your lighting systems done perfectly, and the washroom is spacious enough. Now, before we enter into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you everything about Housey. So what Housey exactly does for you. As soon as you go to Housey's website, you will get all the information you need to know about the project, like the location, and we give you actual location tours of the project. You will get EMI, down payment option, exclusive pricing details of the project. On the website, you will also get a 360 virtual tour of the project. Now, if you want to book a site visit, you can either click on the link which is mentioned in the description below, or you can go to www.housey.com for more information. Now, entering into our third or our master bedroom. So this is your master bedroom. If you notice, this is already much more spacious compared to your other two rooms. So on this side of the corner, your wardrobe can come, and if you want, you can turn this into a walk-in closet because you still have a lot of space between your bed. So if you want, you can change that. Here also you have your AC and your fan units already attached with your lighting system done. And then on this side of the corner, your balcony is there. Now the best part is that this balcony can be used. So if you notice, for a room, a balcony this big like is just perfect and amazing. You again have your view. Here also you have your railings, your strings attached, you have your glassware for your safety purpose system. There's proper wooden touch given to your balcony to also make it feel really nice. You have your drainage system, so you can plant your pots over here. You can have your tea time here, design it however you like. Now, the room also of course comes with attached washroom, and this is much more spacious than your other washrooms. Here again, the tiling and flooring is completely different from your previous washrooms. You have your shower system and a lot of space between the entire toiletries, so you can add your glass there. You have your exhaust fan perfectly placed over here. Just the perfect washroom. So everyone, that was all about Naila. Hope you liked the walkthrough. For more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.